What if I told you that in 2026, you don't need a team, you don't need expensive software, and you definitely don't need weeks of editing to create unlimited free AI animated videos in bulk? Yes, one click, not 10 steps, not complicated workflows, one click free text to video automation. Most creators are still trading time for content, but smart creators build systems. They type once, the system multiplies, they create once, it produces in bulk. And remember this, the one who automates today dominates tomorrow. While others struggle to finish one video, you'll be generating dozens. Bulk production, fully automated, 100% free. The first step is the most important, the story script. This is the brain of the entire video production. Get this right, and everything else obeys. Every image, every animation, every second of the final video is born right here. So pay close attention, because if you miss this step, the entire AI animated story collapses. For this step, I'll be using Google Gemini to generate the story script. But don't worry, if you're not sure how to do this, I've already removed the confusion for you. I'll share my master script prompt in the comments so you can use it, practice with it, and get the same results. Now watch this closely. I'm switching the model from fast to pro, because remember, better input creates better output. This one change dramatically enhances the story quality, emotion, and flow. And yes, what you're seeing here is the Gemini Pro student version, and the best part? It's 100% free and available to everyone. Now watch this carefully. You can see Google Gemini is deeply analyzing the master prompt. And within moments, it doesn't just generate text, it builds the entire video blueprint. It works in clear phases. Phase 1. Gemini generates the complete story, including a powerful title. Phase 2. It creates the characters with full details. Here we get Leo with complete character traits, Maya with her full description, and the Witcher with detailed attributes. This step is extremely important because remember, consistency is what turns randomness into realism. These character details ensure perfect character consistency throughout the entire animated video, from images to final animation. And in Phase 3, you get everything you need to produce the video. Gemini generates the complete image prompts, along with the video prompts and audio dialogue prompts. As you can see, all prompts include full character details and detailed background descriptions, which ensures strong visual consistency across every scene. Nothing is left vague, nothing is missing. This step guarantees that your characters and visuals stay consistent from the first frame to the last, exactly what we want for professional AI animated videos. Now that the story and visual prompts are ready, the foundation is complete. The next step is where words turn into visuals. We bring these text to image visuals. Now I will be using AutoWhisk AI, where we automate the entire process and generate all the images with a single click. As you saw, I searched for AutoWhisk AI and clicked on the first link. And here it is. This is AutoWhisk AI, where we automate the complete image generation process. You can see that I have already downloaded this extension. Now I will go to the extension section and open AutoWhisk AI. When you open this for the first time, it will not look like this. First of all, you need to change the language to English. And here you can see multiple options, version 7.6.0, version 7.5.1, and the last one is G-Labs Automation. I will select version 7.5.1. After selecting it, I click on the Go to Whisk button, then I click on Enter the tool. As you can see, I am already logged into my Student Pro Google Gemini account, so I can directly start using the tool without any extra setup. After that, I go to Settings. Here, you can adjust the preferences according to your needs. But make sure of one very important setting. Enable the Auto Download Image option. This will automatically download all the generated images directly into the Whisk download folder, so you don't have to save them manually one by one. Once this is enabled, the automation works smoothly and saves you time. Now I go back to the control panel. Here, in the prompt list box, you can copy and paste the image prompts one by one, just like I'm doing. Or, if you prefer, you can give another prompt to Google Gemini, asking it to generate only the image prompts, fully formatted and ready for copy-paste. Then click on the Generate button. As you can see, Gemini has now generated all the image prompts. I simply click on the copy button, then I come back to AutoWhisk AI, remove the previous prompts, and paste the complete image prompts here. Now everything is ready for automated image generation. Here, you can select the image aspect ratio, square, portrait, or landscape. I will leave it in the landscape format. Then I click on the Generate button. After that, just below, I click on Run on this project. As soon as I click that button, AutoWhisk I automatically starts generating 2 images for each prompt. And as you can see, the images are being generated and downloaded automatically at the same time. Now, the entire image generation process is running on automation. If you've noticed, the character consistency looks really good. All the prompts include full character details. But if you want perfect consistency and don't want to compromise even a little, I have a great solution for you. I go to Google Gemini and copy Leo's character details. Then I go back to Auto Whisk AI, paste them into the prompt box and hit generate. Next, I will go again to Gemini and copy Maya's character details, return to Auto Whisk. Oops, Gemini generated a real-life Leo, but we need 3D Pixar style. No worries, I'll just add 3D Pixar style at the end of the prompt and hit generate again. This time, the result is amazing. And if you're still not completely satisfied, you can simply click the generate button again until it's perfect. Now, click on the arrow button and drag and drop Leo's image into the subject box. Once you do this, Auto Whisk AI will analyze the photo. From now on, whenever Leo appears in any prompt, Whisk will automatically generate the same consistent. Next, I paste Maya's character details, adding 3D Pixar style, and hit generate to create her image. In the same way, I add Maya's image to the subject box. Finally, for the last character, the Witcher, I follow the same process. I copy the Witcher's character details, paste them into the Whisk prompt box, and hit generate. After the image is generated, I add it to the Whisk subject box so it can be analyzed for consistency. And now, every scene will feature fully consistent characters. Now I click on the stop button, then the start button again. Next, I click on run on this project. As you can see, the images are now generating again, this time with full character consistency across every scene. I'll show you the final result once all the images have been generated. The images are now fully generated, and as you can see, Auto Whisk AI has downloaded them all into a single folder. These are the images for each scene, all generated using Auto Whisk AI. The next step is to bring these images to life using free AI tools. You have the images, but if you don't know how to transform them into a perfect animated video, you'll miss the most crucial part of this process. In a new tab, I'll search for Grok AI. Currently, Grok is one of the most advanced image-to-video and text-to-video AI tools available. It even offers 30+ free generations with no watermark, making it perfect for creating high-quality videos. As you saw, I searched for Grok, clicked on the first link, and opened it. I'm already logged in. Now, I go to the Imagine section and click on it. Then I click on the Upload a File button. I upload the first image. Next, I go back to Google Gemini, copy the first scene's video and audio prompt, return to Grok, and paste the prompt here. Finally, I click the Generate button to create the animated video for that scene. If Grok automatically turns your image into a video, you need to turn that feature off. To do that, go to Account Settings. Now scroll down and disable Enable Automatic Video Generation. Once this is turned off, you have full control. You can now animate the image using your own custom prompt inside Grok, exactly the way you want, with proper motion, timing, and dialogue. Now, as you can see, Grok has generated 2 results. You can preview both and choose the one you prefer.
I think we've walked past this tree twice. I
think this one looks perfect, so I click on I prefer this. Next, if you want higher quality, click on the 3 dots, then select the option to upscale. As you can see, within a few seconds, Grok upscales the video to HD quality. After that, I simply click on the download button and save the video to my desktop. As you saw, the upscaled and downloaded video looks perfect. In the same way, I upload the second scene image. Then I go back to Google Gemini, copy the second scene video and audio prompt, return to Grok, and paste the prompt here. After clicking generate, within a few minutes, we get the same amazing result from Grok for the second scene as well. In the same way, I follow the same process for every scene. I upload each scene image, copy that scene's video and audio prompt from Google Gemini, then paste it into Grok to generate the video for each scene. I repeat this process until all scenes are fully animated, and once everything is ready, I'll show you the final result. By the way, we also have another powerful tool called Meta AI. Here, you can generate videos unlimited and 100% free of cost. As you saw, I opened Meta AI and I'm already logged in. Now I click on the Create button. Here you can select the aspect ratio. I choose 16:9. Then I change the option from image to video. Next, I click on the plus button and upload the first scene image. After that, I go to Google Gemini, copy the first scene's video and audio prompt, and paste it into the Meta prompt box. Then I click on the Animate button. After a few minutes, Meta generates the video. But remember, when you create a video from an image in Meta AI, it does not generate sound, so you will need to handle audio separately. These are the video scenes I generated using AI. I skipped a few scenes just to help you understand the process more clearly. Now comes the step where everything finally comes together, video editing. This is where all the generated scenes are encapsulated into one complete story. You can use any video editor you like, but I'll be using CapCut. As you saw, I've already imported all the video scenes into CapCut. Next, I sort the clips by name, then select A to Z. Now all the scenes are perfectly ordered. After that, I select all the clips and drag them onto the timeline. Finally, I zoom in on the timeline, and now the full animated story is laid out, ready for final polishing. Now, I'll play each clip one by one and make a few small adjustments. To save time, I'll fast forward this part. Mostly, I'm just trimming a few sections and adjusting the speed wherever it feels necessary. Nothing complicated. We already did the hard work during the automation and generation stages, so now the editing process is simple and straightforward. As you saw, I've made a few adjustments, and now I'll add transitions for a smoother flow. In the Transitions tab, I search for the Mix transition and apply it between the video clips in the story. I'll fast forward this step as well to save time, since it's just a simple, repetitive process. Now the video is ready to be exported. I click on the Export button, then I give the story a name. Next, I select 1080p resolution and click Export again. And just like that, the final animated story video is ready. I'll show you the final result now. And if you learned something new from this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel. Your support truly means a lot to us.
I think we've walked past this tree twice.
Watch your step, Leo. The roots move. Stay close. The fog is getting thicker.
Stop! There is something in the trees!
You do not belong in the deep green.
We are just trying to go home.
Move! The roots are hunting!
Why are the plants angry?
Run, little ones! I will hold them.
Leo, don't look back! Just run!
Faster! To the stone bridge!
We're trying! It's so muddy!
No time! Hurry!
I can't see anything! Got you! Keep moving!
They sense your fear.
Duck now! That was really close.
We have to cross that? Trust the roots. Do not hesitate.
Go! Do not stop! Do not stop!
It's huge. Thank you, Mr. Tree Man.
He's gone, Maya. Let's go home.